All right, awesome evening, everyone, and welcome to our early bird, to our guests, and to our co-affiliate. And thank God it's Friday. Guys, it's already Friday, and it's time for our TGIF session. We are from the Lifestyle Coaches. This is Army Bautista, and you can call me Miss A for short. And I will be your host for tonight. Ayan, batiin ko muna yung ating mga early bird. Ayan, hello to Carol, Dina, Cecil, Jack, ayan, si Jed. Welcome to the call, Miss Raquel and Miss Daila. Yan ang ating mga guests this morning, this evening, no? Napaka-early bird nila. So while waiting for the other, no, you could share our link, no? Live na live din po tayo sa ating Wonder Molecule. And the title of the session, guys, is Thank God I'm Fit. All right? Sabi ko nga, we're from the Lifestyle Coaches, and our mission is to be the channel of healthy and wealthy habits by having the right money mindset to achieve dream lifestyle into reality, di ba? Ayan, good evening din kay Ma'am Raquel. Sige po, let's engage in our chat box. You may type in your location, no, para malaman natin kung nasaan po yung mga guests natin for tonight. And house rules lang po, no, before we start. Guys, kindly type in your full name so we can address you properly, no? Like, lagay natin yung ating real name para matawag naman kayo during sa session natin, no, while discussing. So, okay, and second is you may open your camera, but please do wear proper attire naman, syempre, in respect to other people na nakikinig, no? Para di sila ma-distract, no? Huwag po tayo mag-open ng camera if we're doing something. So, syempre, kung baka nagbibihis tayo, guys, di ba? Alright? And ito pa, isa pa ang gusto kong gawin nyo. Let's make the chat room lively and connect with us. Stay until the end of the session because we will be having our first to chat game. Sino gusto niya na mamimigay kami ng cash prize? We will give cash prize those people na mag-engage and until the end of the session ay makikinig at makikijoin sa ating first chat. Ayan, hello! Miss Rachel from Abu Dhabi. Thank you so much for joining us tonight. So, alright, no? To start with, let me ask you a question, guys. Alright. What is your dream lifestyle? Sige nga, can you type in the chat box, no? While waiting for the other. Tanungin ko muna kayo, guys. Ano ba yung dream lifestyle nyo, guys? Can you share it in the chat box? Alright? So kung ako yung tatanungin nyo, guys, my dream lifestyle is for me to have my own home. Ayan, kahit pa paano, I've achieved that already. I want to have a health and wellness business. Gusto ko magkaroon ako ng sarili kong business, which is health and wellness. Have my own car, no? Specifically, I want it, yung pangarap ko matagal na, Jimny. Ayan, sino may gusto rin ng car? Anong car yan? Sige, type in your dream lifestyle, guys, no? And gusto ko rin maging healthy and young. Gusto ko bumabata ako. Habang nadadagdagan ng edad ko, bumabata. Pwede kaya yun, guys? Pwede kaya yun? Alright? And be able to travel the world together with my family. Alright? Sige, basahin ko yung mga nag-type in the chat box, no? Sabi ni May Cristel, simple lang, pa-travel lang. Alright, di ba? Sama tayo sa travel. Miss May, how about the others, no? Sabi ni Coach Carol, everything simple. Living a life with a good health, relationships, global online business, and charity work. So halos hindi tayo nagkakaiba ng dream lifestyle, Coach Carol. How about the others? Alright? Also, si May Cristel, nagdagdag pa siya, no? Also, health and wellness business. Alright? So lahat tayo, no? We have all our dream lifestyle, no? We wanted to have fulfill our life by achieving our dream lifestyle, no? Para maging happier tayo, di ba? If we fulfill our dream lifestyle talaga, di ba? Mas magiging happier tayo, di ba? Alright, thank you so much for sharing, no? With us your dream lifestyle. Alright. Wait lang, ha? Distract ako dun sa isang phone ko. Wait lang, guys. Sorry. Ayan. So guys, again po yun, no? Before I become part of this program na i-share ko sa inyo, what I'm gonna share to you tonight, no? Alam nyo guys, I already stopped dreaming eh. Tumigil na po ako sa mga pangarap ko. Bakit? Maybe you will ask why, no? Because, you know guys, when my dad got stroke, no, nabaon po kami sa utang. And we're financially broke, no? My dad is a breadwinner of the family. At the same time, may sakit pa siya. Tapos ako, I was into field relationship, no? Naging single mom po ako. So I'm under sandwich generation wherein I support my family and my kids. Kaya nga sabi ko nga sa sarili ko, no, parang ang hirap na ma-achieve yung dream na ito. No? Until someone shared this to me. No? You know guys, it changes my mindset and how I see things and I start dreaming again. Dahil po dito, nag-dream po ako ulit. Yan. Sabi nga, a person without a dream is like a bird without wings. And so during the pandemic po, when we are all lockdown, lahat tayo na lockdown, di ba? Walang makalabas, wala talagang magawa, no? You know, ayun yung isa sa mga nagbigay sa akin to find my purpose, no? Kung kailan ako na lockdown kasi lagi ako nasa labas eh, no? Nag-i-echo ba ako? Wait lang guys, nadi-distract nga din ako. I just need to correct my. Okay naman. Sabi kasi ni Miss Raquel, no? Sige. I-close ko na lang yung isang ano ko. Ayan, how about this one? Am I clear? Okay naman? Okay naman? Sige nga, can you confirm po sa chat box? Okay naman. Yes, thank you so much, Coach Carol, for that. And so during the pandemic, as I was saying, though, now we are all locked down, no, I was able to find my purpose and do an extraordinary advocacy connecting to people to their dream lifestyle. So nabuo ko po itong The Lifestyle Coaches community. And this is our mission and vision. Let's watch this video. Ayan, sharing already. nakarelate dun sa video. You know guys, that is my vision. That is my vision that I am sharing right now. Type me in the chat box kung nakaka-relate kayo. Isa-isahin natin guys ha. How many of you is still broke even if you work hard? Para sa mga nagwo-work diyan, mga employees, 'di ba? No? Parang no matter how hard you work, 'di ba? 'Di ba? Still broke pa rin yung pakiramdam mo. Sige, type 1 in the chat box kung ikaw 'yan. Type 1 in the chat box. All right. Kung ikaw naman yung mahilig mag-diet, sino mahilig mag-diet diyan? Kumbaga lahat na yata ng intermittent fasting, lahat na ng diet ginawa mo, hindi ka kumain ng kanin, lahat na. Pero mataba ka pa rin. Sige nga, eat. Or ikaw naman yung kain ka ng kain pero hindi ka tumataba. Or the other way around. Sabi ni Joy Ehem. Type 2 in the chat box. Sige nga, tingnan ko nga kung sino yung mga yan. Ayan. So, alright, the next one. How many of these people here are taken for granted or feel unloved, no? Kahit ang dami-dami nagmamahal sa'yo, feeling mo unloved ka pa rin. Type 3 naman in the chat box. Yung mga walang love life dyan. Alright? Now, type 3 in the chat box. Alright? Wala ba? Si Miss Raquel.
feeling unloved tayo, pero ang grateful pa sa mga bagay-bagay, no? Parang feeling natin walang nagmamahal sa atin, oh my gosh. And how many are you wanted to serve other people, no? But we don't have enough. Wala tayong extra wealth para i-share sa other people. Pero nandun yung willingness natin and passion to help other people. Type 4 in the chat box. Sige nga. Yan, mayaman lang po sa kaibigan, sa pagtulong. Ayan, type 4 in the chat box. So, guys, all of these questions, no, I asked this to myself when we are in the lockdown period, no. And here, you will find all of these things na masasabi mo it's possible. Mamaya, maiintindihan nyo bakit ko sinabing possible. That we can still live our life better than what we think we are now. Yan. Kailangan pala we have the right mindset, no? So don't worry, guys. We got your back. You just need to sit back and listen to what I'm going to share with you. What are we going to share with you tonight? Okay? So we just have to have positive mindset, open our heart and mind. So now, let me share you some of my story, guys. So kanina nasabi ko na that I'm a single mom and I'm under the sandwich generation. So let me give more of myself, no? Because I open my heart and mind on this, I become extraordinary, guys. And here is what I do. I am a Masscom graduate, no? Kaya ngayon, guys, alam niyo ba, mas komportable ako sa bahay doing my online business, becoming a single mompreneur. Yan. I have 2 kids, guys. So, I'm also an event planner and host, advocate of financial literacy as a wealth coach, and I'm also an advocate of health and wellness and transforming lives. Yan. Sino may gusto rin na gawin yan? And the best part is I also found my purpose helping kids with autism. Ayan, nakakatulong din po ako sa kids with autism. Pero ask nyo ba ako, am I rich? No, hindi pa ako rich. Pero soon, I know I will be because I'm doing this. From an ordinary person, turn extraordinary. Alright? Sino gusto niyan? Ano gusto niyo? Ordinary to be ordinary or extraordinary? Type nyo nga sa chat box kung anong gusto niyo. Alright? Extra, of course. We want extraordinary life, no? Now, are you ready to be fit? Ngayon, sisimulan ko na yung mga sikretong ginawa natin. Yes, fit in mind and body and soul. Type exclamation point. Yan, sige po, kung gusto maging fit, para masabi nyo, thank God, I'm fit. Ayan, ready na si Miss Raquel. Okay, let's start with the question. Why do we get sick ba? Bakit ba tayo nagkakasakit? Sige nga, can give you some answers, no? So, there are factors why we get sick, no? Number 1 dyan sa pagkain. Sino mahilig kumain? Sabi nga nila, ang Pinoy daw po is, mahilig kumain, tama ba? Pag walang pera, sabi ni, mamaya yan, Miss Raquel. Stress daw, tama yan. So, as you can see in the screen, isa-isa natin yan. Food. What we eat are mostly with chemicals na, di ba? Hindi na healthy yung mga food na kinakain natin. And it has preservative and most of what we eat is exposed sa mga bacteria and viruses, no? Because of that, we eat unhealthy foods. Then, meron din naman na kumakain ng unhealthy foods, di ba? Like fats, sinong guilty dyan? And salty foods, di ba? Yung mga bawal. Yun yung nagiging cause natin, kaya tayo nagkakasakit through food. Ayan, sa pagkain. Kasi nga hindi na ganun ka-healthy yung food natin. Like before, di ba? Talaga sa bakuran lang nila lola, pipitas lang ng mga gulay, di ba? Napaka-fresh ng pagkain natin. Yan. Another is water, no? Same with water. We don't have any clean water right now, no? And it also have chemicals sa yun yung mga bottled water, di ba? Masama din po sa atin yung pinaka-pet bottle natin, no? Noon, we can drink sa waterfalls, di ba? Sa mga ilog, sa mga batis. Ngayon, pag uminom ka sa mga ilog at batis, sigurado ma-ICU ka, guys, di ba? Yan, mahilig sa seafood. Ayan, sabi ni Miss Raquel. Alright, another one is the air pollution na alam naman natin, air pollution is everywhere, no? Through smoking, yung mga vehicles, di ba? Or industrial plants na nakapaligid sa atin because of technology. That is why the air we breathe is toxic na rin talaga, no? Hindi na rin tayo safe with our air. So, toxins are in the food that we eat, the water that we drink na, and the air that we breathe, no? Wala nang pure na malinis, no? At puno-puno na ng toxic. Even people nga, di ba? May toxic people. So, iwas din tayo sa mga toxic people, guys. Ano pa? Sabi nga ni Sir Christopher, no? Stress, isa din yan sa cause pa kaya tayo nagkakasakit, no? Kasi 'di ba when we are stressed, kahit wala tayong lagnat, it make us weak. Humihina tayo pag na-stress tayo. It makes our body imbalance, no? So we got weak. Sabi nga, yung oxidation, actually, it's a normal process in our body. But kapag sumobra na po siya, it's oxidative stress na po yung tawag doon. At doon na po nagsisimula yung sakit. So in short, we are exposed to health threats, bacteria, and viruses, and conditions. Let's go back to the slide pa po, Miss D. Ayan. But guys, did you know, yan, that we have a natural doctor inside our body? Sige nga, ano yung natural healer natin sa katawan? Yung natural doctor natin? Sige nga, type niyo sa chat box sa mga nakakaalam. Ano ba yung natural healer natin sa katawan? Wala nakakaalam? Ayun. Sabi ni Coach Carol, immune system. Love daw, natural healer sa katawan. Oo nga, no? Kasi pag in love ka talagang lumalakas ka, no? Tama din naman si Sir Christopher. But, Sir Christopher, the natural healer sa katawan natin is what we call the immune system. It's our body best defense against health threat. It's a natural healer, our natural doctor inside our body. When our immune system is strong, alam nyo ba, na kayang-kaya nating labanan ang kahit na anong sakit. Tawa si Sir Christopher. Kasi may dalawang klase lang tayo nagkakasakit, guys. So we have to understand this, no? May dalawang cause lang. Ba't tayo nagkakasakit? If our immune system is, next slide please, overactive and underactive. Dalawang klase, overactive immune system and underactive immune system. Pag sinabing overactive yung immune system, ibig sabihin ito yung mga autoimmune disorder wherein hindi nakakakilala yung immune system natin. Lahat ng makita niya sa cell sa katawan natin ay dinidestroy niya, no? Kahit naman good cell yan, no? Kasi nga, hindi niya ma-identify kung threat ba yun o hindi. Ito yung mga tinatawag nating allergies. Yan yung may mga diabetes, yung may mga asthma, yung may mga alopecia, no? Yung mga nalalagas yung buhok. Kasi akala ng immune system ay kalaban yung buhok niya. And isa naman ay yung sinatawag na underactive immune system, meaning mahina naman yung immune system niya. They lack the natural killer cells to fight against cancer cells, ayan yung mga other threats sa katawan natin. Kaya ito yung nagiging cause, nagkakaroon tayo ng mga cancers, infections sa lungs natin, infections sa lungs, and mga bacterial infections po. So ang ibig sabihin, hindi na kayang labanan yung immune system natin, yung sakit na pumasok sa atin or threat sa katawan natin. So what do we need? We need our immune system to be balanced, okay? Immune system balance. Kailangan natin balance immune system. So how do we help our immune system to be balanced and strong? Paano ba natin mapapanatiling balance at strong ang ating immune system, no? Alright. So we need to, number one, tama-tama, no, yung sagot ni Sir Christopher, minimize natin yung stress. Kasi yan talaga yung isang number one talaga nakakakwa sa atin ng sakit Minimize stress. Iwas sa mga negastar, sabi nga nila. Iwas sa mga negative people or negative situation. Wag tayo masyadong mag-isip, no? Minimize stress. Eat plenty of fruits. Alam natin yan, green vegetables, napaka-importante yan. Exercise, Negatron, sabi ni Miss May. Exercise regularly, get enough sleep, practice safe hygiene habits. Yan nga, ngayong pandemic, di ba? Dati, di man tayo lagi naghuhugas ng kamay. Ngayon, ginagawian na natin maghugas ng kamay. That's very important. And number 6 is take supplements. Kailangan natin yan, no? Kasi minsan, ang dami-dami natin kinakain, hindi balance kinakain natin, kulang tayo sa iba't ibang supplements. So, ito, pagtitake ng supplement ay importante. So, speaking of supplements or something that we take in, no? Ito na yung gusto kong malaman nyo guys, kung ano yung sekreto namin, having a healthy lifestyle. Gusto nyo bang malaman? Sige nga, type 1 in the chat box. Type 1, gusto malaman? Who among you know about transfer factor? Sino nakakaalam about transfer factor? Sige nga. Kwento nyo sa amin sa chat. Anyway, so transfer factor guys is not a vitamins, mineral, herb, antioxidant, hormone or drugs. Transfer factor is a product made by immune system for the immune system. It's very tiny lang siya. It's a protein molecule, guys, that educate, boost, and balance our immune system. Ito yung need natin para mapalakas natin ang immune system natin naturally. Take note naturally. But bago natin isa-isahin yan, let me share to you the history of transfer factor. Kwento ako muna kayo, saan ba nanggaling yung transfer factor na yan? Alright? So, transfer factor was discovered by Dr. Henry Sherwood Lawrence in 1949 during the time of tuberculosis epidemic in the US. So, nakita niya na sa white blood cell ng mga taong may sakit, meron palang immunity codes na pwedeng maipasa sa iba and he call it transfer factor. Kaya lang, hindi nag-push through noon no? Bakit? Wala kasing technology na mag-extract from the blood. And the fact that it's risky, di ba? Pag magpa-transfer ka ng dugo, no, maglipat ka from one person to another through blood injection. Very risky yan. And that time, guys, also, nauso na po yung antibiotic o na-discover yung antibiotics, no? Kaya mas yun yung nakilala natin sa ngayon, guys. But luckily, guys, no, in 1998, it was rediscovered by Mr. David Lesenby while he is conducting his personal research. Magsusulat kasi siya ng libro noon, no? He saw 3,500 clinical studies about this transfer factor. Over $40 million ang ininvest for this study, guys. Study shows na nasa mother's milk pala itong tinatawag natin na colostrum. At available dun yung transfer factor sa colostrum. So dahil dito pinagpatuloy niya yung pag-aaral, nakita nila na ito ay present din sa cow colostrum and sa chicken egg yolk. Yan. So pwede palang ma-transfer din ng species with mammals, actually mammals, no, na nagbe-breastfeed or nanganganak pala, yan. So, na may nagbe-breastfeed, yung colostrum na yon na merong transfer factor. So then, after that, alam nyo ba, binili lahat ni Mr. Lesenby yan. Lahat ng studies na yan, no? He put up a company named For Life Research that is located in Salt Lake City, Utah, USA. Wherein, ang ginagawa ni For Life Research ay ine-extract niya lang yung transfer factor from the colostrum ng cow and chicken egg yolk. So, yun sa mga may allergies yan sa itlog, 'di ba, sa gatas, very safe pa rin tong inumin, 'di ba? So, transfer factor is multi-patented. That it has 6 patents in the US, no? Pinapatent agad to ni Mr. Lesenby. It has 38 international patents and dozens of patents worldwide pa, nakapending pa po yan, no? Ayan. So, ano ba? Ayun. Wait lang. Naghahang yung aking laptop, guys. Okay pa ba ako? Am I clear? Sige nga, type in the chat box. Yes, I'm clear. So, dahil sa pagpatuloy nila pag-aaral nito, guys, wait lang. Parang naghahang ako. Okay. Clear pa ako, no? Ibig sabihin, guys, ito ay patent din, no? So, walang pwedeng gumaya ng transfer factor. Ang maganda pa dito is, nasa PDR po siya, no? Ibig sabihin, nasa Physician Desk Reference, if you're familiar. Yan yung Bible ng doctor, no? 2003 pa, naka-record na dyan lahat ng clinical studies about transfer factor. So, ibig sabihin, pwede itong i-recommend ng mga doctors, di ba? Safe siyang i-recommend. And the rest is history, guys. For Life is already 24 years and over 90 countries, no? And now, we talk about the benefits na ng transfer factor. Now that we know kung saan nanggaling si transfer factor, pag-usapan naman natin yung benefits of transfer factor sa ating immune system. Because we're talking about immune health balance. It educate, boost, and balance. Isa-isahin natin yung ginagawa ng transfer factor sa katawan natin. First function is to educate. Sige nga, meron ka bang alam na nag-educate ang immune system? Sige nga. Meron ba? Meron ba? Okay, transfer factor, educate immune system in 3 things. 3 bagay po ginagawa niya in educating the immune system. Number 1 is to recognize. Number 2 is to respond. Number 3 is to remember threats in our body. So, paano yan? Ganito yan. So, kanina, naalala nyo, mayroong mga immune system pala na hindi nakakakilala, no? Inactive immune system, no? So, ginagawa ni transfer factor is to recognize yung threat accurately, guys, nagiging matalino yung immune system natin. Nakikilala niya kung sino talaga yung threat, no? Certain siya dun sa threat na nakikita niya sa katawan natin, alright? Yun, malinaw yun, guys. So, kapag na-recognize niya na yung threat, automatic naman, nagre-response ito at papatayin niya agad yung threat na yun. Ganun kagaling. Pag tumalino siya, na-recognize niya, nagre-respond agad siya, pinapatay niya agad yung threat sa katawan natin. Signaling our body na merong kalaban, ganun katindi. After naman niya, na mapuksa yung kalaban, they will remember the threat and spread out to our immune cell. Papakalat niya yun, no? Ito, threat to. Kaya pag pumasok yan sa katawan natin, automatically pupuksain or i-destroy na ito agad para hindi na tayo magkasakit. So, a good example of this is chickenpox. Yan, sino nagkaroon ng bulutong dyan? So, once na nagkaroon na tayo ng bulutong, di ba, hindi na tayo magkakaroon ulit. Kasi nga, na-remember niya na yung threat sa katawan natin. Alright, naintindihan how transfer factor educate our immune system? Okay, second function, let's go to boosting. Ayan, second function of transfer factor is to boost our immune system. Transfer factor can boost and produce natural killer cells up to 437%. Grabe, di ba? So, ito, all natural, 437%. Yung natural killer cells kanina, nabanggit ko na rito, ito yung soldier natin sa katawan natin who find the health threat and destroy it. Like, for example, yung mga cancer cells. Kaya niya batayin ang cancer cell. Kaya lang guys, alam nyo, 1:1 lang, parang boxing ang laban. Pag natalo niya na yung isang cancer cell, namamatay na rin po siya. Alright? So automatically mamatay ang ating natural killer cell. So what do we need? We need a constant supply of the cell. And transfer factor can give the fastest boosting capacity to our immune system. Alright? Understood? And the last function is to balance. The third function of transfer factor is to balance the immune system. Unlike other transfer factor, it has a capacity to balance our immune system or other supplements, I mean, no, to balance and go back to its natural state. Kaya nga dapat immune balance, no? Kung overactive ang immune system natin, pakakalmahin niya. Kapag naman underactive ang immune system natin, palalakasin niya naman ito. Alright? So, naintindihan po ba yung function ng transfer factor? Type yes in the chat box para alam ko na naiintindihan nyo. So again, why do we need to have a strong immune system? Because it helps us do more. Ayan, we'll be able to live a worry-free life, di ba? A life without stress. We will enjoy our life and spend quality time to our family. At the same time, we will not be a burden to ourselves. Di ba? Pag kasi tayo, talagang ang hirap. And to the people around us. Alright? So our next sharer, we have a sharer pala, who experienced the power of transfer factor, no. Our Sherry is a simple housewife, ayan, who loves to cook. Ayan, mahilig po siya magluto, patikim, and pet lover din po siya. She is a seniorpreneur and an advocate of health and wellness here at the Lifestyle Coaches. Please welcome Miss Cecil Simeon. Tita Cecil, good evening po. Ayan, nandiyan na ba si Tita Cecil? Can we ask Tita Cecil to co-host, no? I-co-host natin si Tita Cecil. Can we co-host Tita Cecil? Hindi pa po siya co-host. Thank you so much. Hi, Tita Cecil. Kumusta po?
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay. Sorry, nabigla ako. Okay. Good evening. I'm Cecil Simeon. A plain housewife, a mother, and a grandmother. Dumating sa akin ang for life. Yung pagdating niya yung tamang ang dami ng problema sa health ko. Autoimmune disease, I have 2. Rheumatic heart disease and goiter. Sa rheumatic heart disease ko, yun na yung problema ko, yung sa puso. Then, and ngayon, I am taking collagen. I am taking cardio. Sa first bote ko pala, sa first bottle ng cardio na naubos ko after a month. Sinabihan ako ng cardiologist. Ma'am, stop na natin ang amlo mo kasi regular na Regular na ang BP niyo. Sabi ko ay salamat. Then BioEFA. Bakit ako nag-take ng BioEFA? Noong operahan ako sa third na major operation ko, hindi ako natunawan. Natatawa nga yung bantay ko doon. Pinatake ako ng gamot. Hindi tumatalab. Kaya sabi ko, akin na, pahingi ako ng basin at dinukot ko talaga yung kinain ko. Sa lumabas, paglabas noon, andun pa rin. Hindi pa rin tunaw yung synthetic na gamot. Sabi ko, may gali. Sabi ko, ano ba talagang problema? Then, na-develop nag-severe lalo ang aking nag-severe lahat, pati yung aking pain sa paa, yung stress nandoon na lahat, nag-develop na pati yung gallbladder stone ko sa third operation ko. Sabi ko, ano na ba talaga nangyayari? Kaya mabuti na lang dumating ang For Life last February lang. Nag-take ako ng BioEFA kasi sayang yung product. Pinapatake yan sana sa husband ko, hindi niya tinake. So ako nag-take. Sabi ko, it will be better na ako ang mag-take. Sabi ko ganon. Nung tinest ko na, sabi ko, may maganda, sabi ko ganon. Kasi lahat, cleansing talaga siya. Sabi ko, ang ganda, sabi ko ganon. And up to now, ang poop ko after, kain ako, almusal, tanghalian, hapunan, after 30 minutes, or 1 hour, nasa CR na ako. Sabi ko, maganda. And nag-take din ako ng collagen. Kasi nung nasa hospital ako, na-operan ako, nagkaroon ako ng hair fall, severe hair fall. Makita mo yung sa anit ko na sobra ang tanggal ng buhok. Pero ngayon, as time goes by, ngayon lang ako hindi nakatake ng collagen. Sabi ko medyo, ito na sabi ko ganun, kumakapal na yung buhok ko. Nag-take din ako ng Rio Vida for healthy skin. Bakit? Kasi sa sobrang tagal ng aking yung bigat ng katawan, na yung itim, nagkaroon ng yung hindi makapag-flow yung dugo. Ngayon, marami nakakapansin na naglalighter na ang kulay ng mga ugat ko sa paa. Then, nag-take din ako ng TF Pure at collagen, glutamine. Bakit? For para stress, muscle repair. Kasi sabi ko ganun, ang dami ng sakit. Nagkaroon kami ng nag-positive kami last year. So ang sakit yung pain ng ulo ko hindi matanggal. Doon ako nai-stress. Sabi ko, masyadong heavy na. Na para bang nung sinabihan ako ng isang doktor na magpatingin ako sa neurologist, para bang nagiging eye-opener. Sabi ko, bakit kaya? So something is wrong sa mga nerves ko. Nung dumating ang For Life, talagang porsigido akong uminom. Hindi lang yan single dose. Ang ginagawa ko, mega dose. I am taking din Recall for my goiter. So far, so good. Lumiliit na ang lymph nodes ko, lalo sa left side ko. May konting nakakapapa ako sa right side ko. And I am taking Renuvo sa ngayon para sa inflammation din ng paa ko. Kasi sa sobrang yung pain ng nag-undergo ka ng operation, kahit nasa tiyan ko na meron akong first and second na major operation dyan, may tendency na namamaga pa rin siya. Pag malamig ang panahon, namamaga pa rin. So, I am taking lahat ng mga ganyan. Sabi ko, hindi na ito maganda. Sabi ko, ganun ang mga nangyayari. Yung mga nangyayari sa atin, sa environment, andyan yung mga usok, kung anong mga balita nakaka-stress. Ang dami pa, marami pa. So why not, sabi ko gano'n na talagang mag-take ng ganito. To lessen ang burden. So far, so good. At least, sabi ko sa ngayon, medyo maganda-ganda ang sitwasyon ng health ko. Sa ngayon, as of today, may pain akong nararamdaman regarding sa aking gallbladder stone. May time, sumasakit siya. Minsan pumipitik na naman. So sabi ko, kaya ko to. Alam ko, sabi ko, sign na naman ito na mag-a-undergo ako ng operation, ng laparoscopic. Pero kaya pa rin yan. Kaya sabi ko, I have to take product ng For Life para mas malakas ang aking immune system. We have to fight kung ano man ang dapat. We're not getting younger. I am now 64 years old. At saka sa mga na-take ko, sabi ko ganun, sa mga products ng For Life, nabawabawasan na rin ang yung stress. Ang sarap na matulog sa gabi. Masarap magising sa umaga. Tsaka maginhawa ang pakiramdam mo. Lighter na, sabi ko ganun. Hindi katulad doon dati na ang bigat ng katawan mo. Magising ka man sa umaga, ang bigat doon. Ngayon, parang hindi mo na pinoproblema kung ano man ang problema ang darating eh. Kung mag-undergo ko ng laparoscopic, sabi ko na operation, okay, go na ako. Alam ko, malapit na, nafe-feel ko. Ito na siguro yung stone sa gallbladder ko na namuo noon bago ako nung naoperahan ako sa third operation ko. We have to fight. Kailangan magiging positive pa rin tayo sa lahat ng negative na mga nangyayari sa ating buhay. To think na ganito ang nangyayari, I have undergone 3 major operations and alam ko, this will be my 4th major operation. Okay pa rin, be positive. Be positive. And God is here with us. Hingi pa rin tayo ng guidance galing sa Kanya. Ang pagtitake kasi ng medicines natin, ang synthetic, lagyan pa rin natin, sabayan natin ng For Life. It's much better. Ngayon, ang sa goiter ko, nagle-lessen na ako. Lessen na ang palpitation ko na rin. So, For Life, thank you. Thank you very much. Bye, everyone.
Alright,
Bye.
grabe. Amen to that, Tita Cecil, no? Ang ating megastar, no? Ang hirap talagang
Yeah.
meron tayong nararamdaman sa katawan natin, no? Yung health natin.
Fight
talaga.
pa rin.
Yes.
Be positive.
Fight lang.
Be a
Laban lang tayo,
positive
Tita.
thinker.
We are all praying
Yes, be
for
a
you,
positive
no?
thinker.
Yes.
And we have to pray.
Yes, let's all pray for your fast recovery, Tita. Talagang for you to have your balance in your immune system already, no, by taking the transfer factor. God bless, Tita. Thank you so much. All right.
You're
So let's
welcome.
continue, guys. Paano naman? Punuin naman natin ang ating chat box ng hearts and hugs and appreciation to our sharer for tonight, no? Sobrang na-inspire ba kayo sa kanyang sharing? All right. Thank you so much, Tita Cecil. Alright, let's continue, no? So guys, here in the Philippines, the Philippines, no? We should be proud kasi we are one of the largest market of For Life worldwide. We are member of the DSAP, no, the Direct Selling Association of the Philippines, and HADSAP, Health and Dietary Supplement Association of the Philippines. So our office is located po, dyan po sa 16th floor, San Miguel Property Center. Doon lang po yan sa may likod ng SM Mega Mall. We also have our offices in Baguio, Cebu, and Davao. Alright? And ito pa guys, For Life was recognized by Philippine government, no, during pandemic. For Life was able to help 51 out of 52 COVID patients, no? Let's watch a spokesperson, Harry Roque, recognizing For Life. Alright, let's watch the video.
Sa ngalan po ng ating Presidente, Mayor Rodrigo Roa Duterte, nagpaparating po kami ng aming pasasalamat sa mga sumusunod dahil sa kanilang mga tulong habang tayo po ay humaharap dito sa pagsubok ng COVID-19. Ang gobyerno po ng Estados Unidos, ang gobyerno po ng China, For Life Research.
Ayan. So yun, sinabi For Life Research. Ayan, kinata ni Tita. Anyway, so then, aside from the Philippine government, isa sa mga DILG Secretary din si Sir Martin Dino, advocate na rin po siya on sharing and promoting transfer factor to every barangay. Yun na nga yung niya eh. Sabi niya, lahat ng barangay ipapakalat natin itong magandang balitang ito with the transfer factor. Alright guys, so during pandemic guys, For Life was recognized also as the best immune system in the system company in the US from 2020 and 2021. And I'm sure this year po, tayo pa rin ang tatanggil na best immune system company. And they even launched during pandemic a new product which is collagen. Favorite natin yung collagen guys, yung mga affiliates. Sige nga, can you type in the chat box ano yung ginagawa ng collagen sa katawan natin, no? Guys, sige, habang tinatype nyo, it was recognized 2020 as the People's Choice Award for favorite new product. Grabe. So collagen is for skin, for our bones, yan ang ginagawa niya for our hair, no, for our skin. Yan talaga yung isa sa magandang bagay na nagagawa ni For Life. They continuously parang dito discover new products using transfer factor, no? Meron siya mga targeted product na parang makatulong sa ating health. Dahil nga research company, hindi tumitigil si For Life na mag-develop ng new products. At ito pa, alam nyo ba na sa Russia, yung transfer factor has become the first dietary supplement approved to use in the hospital. Sa hospital po ginagamit, biruin nyo yan, no? Si Russia, na isang richest country, bumibili ng transfer factor sa US. So this is really something good, di ba? Dahil doon, di ba, libre yung hospitalization sa Russia, no? Mas makakatipid kasi sila dahil mas mabilis gumaling ang mga patients nila. Kaya bumibili talaga sila ng transfer factor. Kaya sobrang napakarami talaga ng awards ni For Life na nare-receive ni For Life, no? So let's watch this to see more. Alright, those are the awards that For Life gained for the past 24 years in the industry, guys. Grabe, diba? So, masasabi talaga natin that that company is legit talaga, no? If we're looking for a partner na legit at the same time has this good product, talaga mabibigyan talaga ng awards. And because of this, guys, I never stop sharing about this, no? To all the people that I know, kahit hindi nga kilala, no? Alam niyo, nag-start ako dito sa For Life, no? 2 tao lang po yung nagtiwala sa akin, no? Yung papa ko, kasi nga wala siyang choice, papainumin ko siya para umokay siya. At si Tita Dina, yan. Because I know that these things work, no? I just continue sharing it and sharing the secrets niya. Alam nyo na ngayon yung secret, di ba? At ngayon, unti-unti nang lumaki yung TLC community namin, immunity community. These are the people we help transform their lives na. Ayan, nakita niyo po yung mga na-transform namin. Ilan lang sila sa mga natulungan and has transformed their lives. No? Now, let me call someone who experienced not just the power of transfer factor, but was able to earn, ito maganda ha, to earn from this program and help a lot of people right now. At ito guys, magugulat kayo, he is 18 years old student who aspire to be a pilot someday, di ba? Ang galing naman ng batang to. From Makati City, an awesomepreneur. Please welcome John Lloyd Tapiador. John Lloyd, good evening. Ayan, nandiyan ba si John Lloyd?
Hello? Naririnig po ba ako?
John Lloyd. Hello.
Hello?
Ayan. Wow. Grabe. Fresh na fresh naman si John Lloyd. How are you, John Lloyd?
Wait lang. Naglalag po yung internet eh. Pasabi na lang po pag nawawala ako.
Okay naman. We can hear you naman. We can hear
Okay.
you naman.
Clear naman po.
Malinaw ka naman. Ang pogi naman ni John Lloyd,
Okay.
di ba guys?
Okay, so good evening po sa lahat ng nandito, sa mga guests, sa uplines, and sa mga affiliates po ng For Life, no? So, magandang gabi po. Ako po ulit si John Lloyd Tapedor. 18, incoming college student this Monday na. And ayun nga, medyo nape-pressure na ako. Pero okay lang yan. Chill lang dapat tayo, no? So, i-share ko nga po sa inyo paano ko nga ba na-meet si For Life. So, first is I have autoimmune problems na since I was 7. So, kung ngayon 18 na ako, so 7 years old pa lang ako, nagkaroon na ako ng asthma. So, I have autoimmune disorder nga. And kapag may asthma ka, no, sobrang hirap matulog yan sa gabi kapag nagtitrigger siya. And every time na nagtitrigger nga, lagi kaming nagpupunta sa hospital para magpa-nebulizer. Tapos, after nung asthma ko, nung nag-grade 7 naman ako, I mean grade 8, nagkaroon naman ako ng allergies. So, nagkaroon ako ng allergy bigla sa pagkain and sa environment. Hindi ako sure kung ano sa environment, pero feeling ko kasi yung madumi. Doon nagtitrigger yung allergies ko. And every time na nagkakaroon ako doon, lagi ako umiinom ng cetirizine, antihistamine para lang mawala siya. And after ilang araw, babalik, tapos inom ulit, babalik, ganun lang. Same process, nadala ko yung autoimmune problem ko na yun hanggang last year. And nung naging grade 10 naman ako, nagkaroon naman ako naging anemic naman ako. So, sobrang baba raw ng dugo ko, and one time pa nga nag-pass out ako habang nasa church kami. Tapos, ang advice ng doktor sa akin ay magpahinga daw, and may mga nireseta siyang gamot sa akin. Pero, take ko nun, hindi naman siya totally nawala kasi hanggang bago ko ma-meet si For Life, nandun pa rin yung autoimmune problem ko, hindi pa rin siya nawala. And nung last year, December 2021 nga lang, no? So, yung nag-introduce talaga sa amin is yung tita ni Miss A. Pumunta siya sa bahay, and then may nag-uusap lang sila ni Mama, and then
Yan, medyo nagahang.
sabi niya, okay na po ba?
Okay na, JM.
Hindi
Medyo
naman
nawala
ako
ka na ng konti. Sige, continue.
And nung na-introduce na sa amin to, ayun, so, tinake ko agad siya, sabi sa akin, megadose. At tinake ko pala is transfer factor pure and glutamine prime. So, megadose yung nireseta sa akin, and medyo natakot ako kasi hindi pa bago lang ako uminom ng gamot na gano'n karami. So, pero okay, sabi ni mama, sige try ko lang and observe namin within a week. Pero yung sa buong week na yun sobrang dami na agad na nabago, eh. After 2 days naging okay na yung appetite ko, bumalik siya and yung energy ko is parang hindi na ako nanghihina. And then another after a week lang, naging normal na ulit yung skin color ko. Kung dating sobrang puti, naging pinkish na siya ulit, naging normal na and then ayun nung naubos ko na yung unang bottle ko, sa'kin tinanong ni mama kung itutuloy ko pa raw po kung effective ba ta's okey sabi ko, sige and then hanggang sa tinuloy-tuloy na namin and ang dami na rin namin natulungan na, mga tao and isa na nga si Tita Cecil na nag-share po kanina. So so isa siya yung pinakaunang nasyalan namin, nitong For Life. Kasi sabi ni mama, nung una sabi try ko daw i-chat si Tita Cecil nga, si Auntie Chi kasi daw marami na din siyang sakit nun. So ayun, ta's hanggang sa nagtuloy-tuloy na, ang dami na rin naming kung sino-sino na yung na-approach namin para dito and ayun sobrang ganda na nga ng effect sa kanila. Ah, isa sa pinakamadalang natulungan namin is yung, cancer patient na may prostate and yung isa naman is may, breast cancer. So sa dalawang yun, sobrang naging maganda yung feedback nila, sa amin and hanggang sa ngayon nagtutuloy-tuloy pa rin kami kasi siyempre effective siya and kung hindi naman siya tumatalab sa'min bakit namin itutuloy pa, so parang nagsasayang kami ng pera. Pero hindi kasi, so kahit na, may mga nararamdaman pa rin kami na, hindi pa rin maganda pero yung maganda kasi kay For Life is unti-unti niyang tinatanggal yung kung ano yung mali sa immune system mo, sa katawan mo and ayun may process naman talaga siya. So hindi siya agad-agad na gagaling ka. So hinay-hinay lang din and, siyempre proper diet, exercise and control pa rin sa kung anong bawal lang. And sa ngayon sobrang, thankful kami and grateful sa For Life kasi sobrang dami na niyang nagawa sa'min. Hindi lang sa health kasi sobrang dami na rin namin naging kakilala and ka-close because of this and also yung sa business na rin kasi, naging malaking tulong na rin siya para sa'min. Lalo sa'kin kahit na student, nagkakaroon na rin ng income kahit nasa bahay lang. And yun lang po, thank you po sa lahat and good evening po ulit.
Alright, grabe, nakaka-inspire naman to si John Lloyd. 18 years old, guys. Imagine kung ano na nagagawa ni John Lloyd. Ang dami niya natutulungan. At the same time, kumikita pa siya, di ba? Nakita niyo ba? In just a month, he earned 16,000 in the poster. Grabe na to. How to be you, John Lloyd. So, kaya gusto niyo bang malaman kung paano yung ginawa ni John Lloyd at ni Tita Cecil? Sige nga, type yes in the chat box. Kung gusto niyo magawa yung ginawa ni John Lloyd at ni Tita Cecil. Ayan, congrats John Lloyd. Ayan, punuin din pala natin ng hearts and hugs and appreciation si John Lloyd for sharing his story. Sobrang galing talaga ng batang yan. So, I'm sure your parents are very proud of you. Ayan, sige, balik ako sa tanong ko. Gusto nyo bang malaman? Ayun yata malaman guys kung paano yung ginawa ni John Lloyd at ni Tita Cecil. Sige, type yes in the chat box so I could reveal their secrets. Ayaw nyo mayaman? Ayan, sabi ni Coach Carol, yes. Okay, yes. Sabi ni Ms. Raquel. Alright, how to get started? Okay, how to get started? Thank you so much, Miss Ferdy. Thank you for joining. Ayan, simple lang guys. Ito lang yung ginawa nila. Nag-sign up and try the product. They sign up by buying the enrollment package, which is 12,980 pesos. Sige guys, if you have 12,980 pesos, meron ka bang business na matatayo? Sige nga, can you type in the chat box? Anong pwede itayong business sa 12,980? Alright? So, in 12,980 package, guys, if you're gonna buy this, tuturuan ka na ng mga mentors. Okay? Meron tayong mga coaches and mentors na worth 3 million yung kanilang knowledge about this, no? Ano pa? Meron ka ng access sa ating website and apps and tools na gagamitin mo for your business na worth 5 million pesos at lifetime na tong access na to. Wherein pwede ka na magbenta o mag-share over 90 countries, no? 24 hours a day. Mahal ba o mura? Sige nga. Times at chat box. Mahal o mura? Pwede. Mura, di ba? Mura lang. Bakit? Ayun nga, sabi ko nga, traditional business, magtatayo ka ng opisina, magrerenta ka, magkano? 'Di ba? Bibili ka ng mga gamit mo doon, supplies, magpapasweldo ka ng tao, 'di ba? Tapos stress pa pag hindi pumasok. 'Di ba? Magtatayo ka pa, kumbaga bago ka pa makapagtayo, malolosyang ka na agad, 'di ba? Stress ka pa. So ano mas mura? Ako, I will choose the 12,980 package to start it and partnered with an expert company. It is much simpler, tama? Okay. Sino dito ang mga business-minded? Alright. Mura yan, di ba? Mura yan. Kung business-minded ka, ito ang i-recommend namin sa iyo, the Smart Business Package. Meron tayong 3 Smart Business Package, which is 19,100 yung personal essentials natin, the complete essential pack which is 36,460 and the professional essential pack of 73,000. At makita nyo rin dyan kung magkano yung savings ninyo kapag yan binili nyo. Mas marami kayong product, mas marami kayong matutulungan, mas marami kayong malalaklak. Sino gusto mo lumaklak ng transfer factor? Ako gusto ko yan, no? So, anong pipiliin mo? Mahal pa rin ba? Guys, mahal pa rin? Alright, sige, ito pa. So let me explain to you the benefits of taking this program. Okay, if you're gonna join the program, you're gonna have 25% discount. Instant discount yan. Kung ikaw bumibili sa sarili mo, 25% discount. And kung ikaw naman yung nagbenta, meron ka namang rapid rewards sa 25% din. And ito pa yung paborito namin, no? Sino may gusto nito? Get free bonus product of the month. Every month, pwede ka makakuha ng free product sa loyalty program. And, syempre, hindi ka natitigil. Gusto mo lang i-share dun sa kapitbahay mo, sa best friend mo, na gusto nyo rin gawin tong business na to. For Life will give you the builder bonus at generational bonus, no, to earn commissions. How was that? Diba? The company pays your one-time effort and organization's effort lifetime. Diba? Lifetime na yan pag bumibili siya, no? Unlike sa iba, no, kapag hindi ka nagtrabaho, wala kang sweldo. Dito may passive income ka, no? Mahal ba rin ba, guys? Grabe naman kayo, mahal pa rin ba 'yon? Meron pa rin po bang nagsasabi ng mahal? Sa akin sobrang sulit, guys, no? Sino dito yung gusto mag-try lang ng product? Sige, type P in the chat box. Yung mga guests natin for tonight. Type P in the chat box kung, ay, mag-take lang ako product. Subukan ko muna. Meron kasi, no? Susubukan muna. Type P. Meron ba? Okay, kung wala, sino gustong gawin ng business? Type B in the chat box. Gagawin yung business. Type B in the chat box. Wala din. Sabi nila, B, business din, no? Siyempre, pag nag-business ka, matitikman mo na rin yung product. So, sino naman dito yung gusto na gawin pareho? Pero, namamahalan, type exclamation point. Mahal yan, Miss A, eh. Pero gusto kong gawin yan. Gusto kong mag-take ng product. Gusto ko rin mag-business. Type, exclamation point in the chat box. Ayan. So, ito ang tanong ko sa inyo, guys. How much is your life worth? Guys, how much is your life? Diba? Against this investment that you're gonna put, diba? It's priceless, tama, Miss Raquel. Do not prioritize money over the life of people you love and yourself, guys. Because no matter how good you are in creating wealth right now, kung kumikita ka ng malaki ngayon, if you don't manage it right, then you don't care of your health, diba? Darating ang panahon, magkakasakit ka, and all your hard-earned money will be lost. Gusto mo ba yon? Sayang lang, di ba, pupunta lang sa pagpapagamot mo. Okay, sige, ganito na lang. I will give you a special offer for tonight. Just for tonight, guys, no, wherein matitikman mo ang product at the same time, magagawa mo yung business. Sino gusto niyan? Type me in the chat box. Sige, type me. Sabi ni Raquel, me. Alright. So, I will give you this reward tonight. Kung mag-join ka ngayon, sisimulan mo to ngayon. Pero guys, this is available only today until 12 midnight. Ngayon lang. Siyempre, promo lang ito. Para malaman ko kung sino talaga yung willing gawin ito. Alright, sinong game? Type G in the chat box. Yan. So, okay guys. Okay lang ba na mag-start ka ngayon sa halagang 700 pesos? 700 pesos lang. Ha? Sino gusto mag-start ngayon na? Ngayon na, simulan na natin. 700. So ngayon guys, kung magsisimula kayo hanggang 12 midnight ngayong araw, at magpa-purchase ka ng ating reward kit, you'll be having 4 light rewards kit, 4 light bag, yan nakikita nyo sa photo natin, forms, pa-catalog that you'll be needing for your business. At ito pa, may bonus pang product, 3 sachet of Rio Vida sticks and 3 pieces of collagen. Sige guys, type in the chat box anong sa affiliates natin, anong nagagawa ng Rio Vida sticks natin at ng collagen natin. Sige, para alam ng guest natin. May chance ka nang matikman yung product, 'di ba? Nakakabata, sabi ni Mr. Raquel. Tama, nakakabata itong product natin. You will now have your own website. Okay lang ba sa'yo yun? Na worth million. Can access 4 Life apps. Meron ka ng parang Lazada store online na pwede mong i-share over 90 countries. No? Pag bumili sila sa'yo, kahit nasaan sila sa mundo, pasok sa'yo. Alright, guys? And ito pa, plus, because you're joining our team, you'll be joining the TLC Masterclass. Yan. Ito pa, pa-freebie na lang ng group natin ito. Worth ito ng 49,999. No, all access for free. Sino gusto ng free? Tayo, mahilig tayo sa free, no? Bibili ka lang ng kit, 700, tapos ma-avail mo na rin to because you're joining today. Free access to all our tools and activation program, free product training, Complan training, apps and website, plus social media training, no? Tuturuan pa kayo paano kayo magbenta online. Alright? So ano guys, mahal pa rin ba? Grabe na kayo, ang dami ko nang binigay. Sige. So now, kung nagdududa ka pa rin, I want you to listen to our 4 Life Ambassadress and 2015 Miss Universe Pia Wurtzbach has to say about 4 Life.
Why 4 Life? Let me tell you why. Because we are the immune system company. We have 4 Life Transfer Factor and other unique products designed to support your immune system that are unlike anything else on the market. Our mantra is science, success, and service. It's our science-backed products, vision for personal success, and desire to do good in the world that sets us apart.
4 Life is the immune system company. The core of our research is centered around transfer factors. Transfer factors are not vitamins, minerals, or herbs. They're tiny molecules found in cow colostrum, or nature's first food. They educate your immune system to better recognize, respond to, and remember health threats. Our in-house team of scientists is fueled by a passion to better understand 4 Life Transfer Factor and to introduce revolutionary, patented products that help raise your immune IQ.
Service is at the heart of everything we do. Our nonprofit Foundation for Life works to help break the cycle of poverty for vulnerable children. We partner with people like you to give kids all over the world a chance at a better life.
We've been around for over 20 years and are still growing. In fact, right now feels like our time more than ever. We have offices in over 25 countries and half of global sales force. Hundreds of thousands of people all over the world have already experienced the power of 4 Life Transfer Factor. Will you?
Alright, so guys, tanong ni Pia Wurtzbach, Miss Pia Wurtzbach, so will you try it? So kasi guys, dalawa lang yung pwede mong gawin sa araw na ito, sa panahon na ito, at sa oras na ito.
Why 4 Life?
Magsimula ka ngayon at baguhin mo yung buhay mo, o wag mo tong gawin at bumalik ka doon sa dating ginagawa mo. It's your choice, guys. No, if you say yes right now, so all you have to do is sign up, attend training, and work with the one who invited you. For those who grab the special offer of 700 pesos reward kit, no, please stay after the session so we could assist you, no. Pwede kayo magstay after the call, no, once we finish this. Now that you know the right mindset and the secret to be fit Now, you can now say, now everybody say, thank God I'm fit. All right, type in the chat box, hashtag, thank God I'm fit. We are fit with the right mindset, fit using transfer factor, and fit with this immunity community. Thank you so much for joining us. All right. Thank you so much for joining, Jen and Jackie. Ayan, si Tita Nena, Tita Cecil, thank you for sharing. Janet, thank you for sharing. Of course, our technical director, napakagandang technical director, Tita Heart Post daw. All right. Okay, guys, ready? In 3, 2, 1. Wow. All right. Congratulations, everyone. Thank you for joining. This is Miss A saying, legacy is in every person you touch lives, not about the money that you build, but the value you always add to people. So keep adding value, guys. Thank you for joining. Good night.